tell you, you get disoriented doing this while standing. I get why people sit. Oh man. Try not to break your shit, going on an adventure. As you can see it. That's the hotel. Looks cool, huh? All abandoned and shit. I think I can fly around it. I don't know how close. I also think I'm gonna head to those trees over there. Get out of sight. So I don't piss anyone off. I hope. You never know. Not a lot of people like drones. And I get it. But I'm not trying to get up someone's butthole with the camera. I'm just trying to get some cool scenery. Cautious at first because I'm not good at this yet. To infinity and beyond. Look at this. It's got a little like bodega pond. Man, this must have been sick. Done. Tell you, you get disoriented doing this while standing. I get why people sit. Oh man. Going up to the moon. I think I would know the words to that song, and I watched it 2 million times with my daughter. Bye bye. I'm gonna wrap it up. I hope that was fun for you. and the dreams that this place could have been, I mean, probably would have been paradise if it was. Until then, let's get out of here so we don't annoy more people. By far my favorite flight of my life so far.